Okay, so today we're going to take you through breading our Genuine Broaster Chicken hand-breaded tenders. We're going to start with our Slow Bro Extra Crispy and some ice-cold water. First, to start off, I like to sprinkle a little bit of water like this, mix it up here. This gives you some beating in your coating, which will add to the crunchy texture of your tenders when you're done. All right, so then we're going to take our marinated tenders. We're going to go into our dry coating. Press it in there a little bit, shake it off, quick dunk in your ice cold water, and then you're going to press and toss, press and roll, press and toss. Because you want a nice heavy coating on there, just like this. Ideally, you're going to cook no more than 25 or 30 at a time to make sure that all the tenders are cooked properly. So when you're done breading, make sure you're changing your water every hour just to help with from a food safety standpoint. And then when your coating gets too many dough balls in it, you're going to sift it out and then add more coating. Always have a clean break at the end of your day so that you don't have any contamination carrying on through the day. But that's it. Dry, wet, dry, and then fry.